Hello, my name is Leo. I am a solutions engineer for Cisco Systems, and this is the new 9179F. And why is this access point really cool? I'll tell you why. Because first, it is a low power indoor AP, so meaning it can be indoors, but on the back of it, we have this module. So if you change this module, we have another one that will cover it and convert it to a standard power. And what that means is you can use this access point outdoor as well. And if you're familiar with 6 gigahertz standards and the regulations we had with AFC, that was not possible. So I'm really excited about this access point. And for those of you who have older antennas, you have an N-type connectors on the back here that you can also connect them. So you can have directional antenna in front of it. You can have another patch behind or underneath. So really excited about this access point. Thank you.